So this is an 18 by 30 by 1 AC filter. So if you ever wonder which way you should install when you see that arrow in your air conditioning filter, you have to make sure that the arrow points towards the HVAC unit. So it needs to point towards the unit or away from the return air duct. So make sure you install it correctly, because if you install it backwards, it restricts the airflow and reduces the system efficiency. So here it is, the arrow is pointing inside when you install it. And if you are installing the filter on the ceiling or wall returns, the arrow points up for ceiling, and then the arrow points in when it's like this, in a wall, so towards the ductwork. I put it in because I've always had, it's like it gets confusing for most people if you're not aware of it, but it's a very important step so you don't mess up your air conditioning unit, because it's gonna work harder if the airflow is restricted. And this one, I've installed the filter. So there's some details here if you want to check it. But again, the arrow always points in if you're installing the AC filter in a wall, and it points up if you are installing a filter on a ceiling.